Alright, so this is going to be a little bit of a special for being on YouTube for 6 years already. So here are the Carrier and Trane XR heat pumps. (2017) 2.5 ton, 2015 2.5 ton. This one's been running, I think. See, it's sweating down there. Anyways, there's those. Here's the old Carrier. 2001 2.5 ton. Somebody has since topped off the charge on this thing, but that's some really hot air because you can see the condenser's in really poor condition. And the York Stellar got replaced with a 14 SEER Trane XR, which has also been running. 2021 2 ton. Nice. See if I can find the reversing valve if it's a heat pump. Nope, straight cool unit. But yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna try and get a startup of that unit later. Still got the old disconnects. Yeah, that thing's pouring off heat. Here's the York Stellar. This thing's still here, which is nice. 2.5 ton, I think it's 2005. It's got a Bristol recip. And yeah. Unless the sun was out, I think it's been running. Here's the 2006 Trane XB13. That's a 2.5 ton or 1.5 ton, I can't really tell. Actually, yeah, 1.5 ton, 13 SEER. I heard this thing start up yesterday, and yeah, there's a Trane and XR over here. This one's been running also. So yeah. Anyways, guess out.